Hi, I'm Kelsey Deenihan, Avon celebrity makeup artist, and I'm here with
Alana Gold, and I'm the Chief Marketing Officer of Avon. I'm also only $800 away from being a President Club's member, so I'm very excited about that.
That's amazing. So what we're gonna do today is show you how to get a sculpted neck. And we're gonna go from this to this. I'm gonna take the highlight and contour stick, and with the darker side, I'm using the shade medium, and I'm just gonna trace her jawline and blend that out. You can use a brush or your fingers, whichever you feel.
And do I do this in the mornings, in the evenings to go out?
Whatever you want to do. It's your personal preference. You know, there's no right or wrong. If you want to do it every day, if you want to do it just when you're going out at night, completely up to you. We're just gonna shade a little bit right here too. It's just gonna bring the neck in a little bit, just on either side, and then directly under the chin. So by lifting your neck, I'm just gonna go right under here. So by adding the shadow underneath the jaw, you're gonna really sculpt out and have it be more angular and more pronounced, and it's gonna give a more sculpted neck.
I look so sculpted and defined.
And it was easy, right?
It was super easy. I'm so excited. I can't wait to try it myself.
Perfect.
Thank you,
You're
Kelsey.
welcome.